Right, so this is a little demo of the lynteck alarm box. So I've got my backup battery. I have put 2 wires in the battery terminals. So I'll go ahead and do it. That sounds, and after a bit it does stop after like 5-10 seconds, and this LED just carries on. So here goes. Oh, doesn't want to work. Right. Try this. If I put this on there. Oh, you heard it then. So just do this, and I don't know whether you can see. If I do this, there we are. So that's flashing. Yeah, I don't know how to set it off again. Well, I do. You just. What I think you do is, if you want it to go off again, you just take it back. Just take your finger back off the battery and put it back on. So there we are. That's it just there. What I'll do is I will put the cover on and show it like so that. I've got the cover on, so I'm going to power it up now. You'll be able to see the company LED flashing just there. Right. So you can see the comfort LED flashing. It'd probably flash a bit faster, what the others do. Well, like the other lyntecs I've seen, they flash a bit faster. So yeah. The tamper doesn't seem to activate, but still it isn't wired up properly. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.